Alright, on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, we're going to be cooking some chicken and salmon on the grill with a side of risotto and green beans. And we'll get started here. So we got the chicken, we're doing chicken thighs, and then some salmon. Just a couple pieces, kind of comes with the skin on one side and then get on the other there. And then this will be good for kind of tonight's dinner and then lunch for tomorrow. Alright, for seasoning, we're just going to keep it real simple. Just got some garlic salt. We're just going to put that on both. This 21 seasoning salute just kind of has a whole bunch of different herbs and stuff on that. And then just some black pepper. And we'll just kind of season both those up here. Alright, so what we're doing first is we're smoking the chicken and the salmon on the wood fire grill here. And I just have it on kind of the smoke setting. Just let it sit here for half an hour while we get the risotto and the green beans started on the inside. And then we'll come back out here and finish it up. So with my grill here, I just have it on the smoke setting, just real low heat, just getting all that smoke going. And letting the chicken and salmon just kind of smoke here for a little bit. And we'll be back out to finish her up.
Okay, so I am making a mushroom risotto, and then I'll be doing green beans here in a little bit too. So I just wanted to show you real quick. So I have just some diced onions in there that I'm just sauteing in butter. So once that gets nice and translucent, I'm going to add in the risotto here. We'll add that in, and then we just let that get nice and coated in butter as well. And then I have some crimini mushrooms sauteing here with butter as well. So I'm going to wait until those get cooked a little bit more. I got broth going, so the broth will add in to let the risotto cook a little bit. So I'm letting that warm up, and then I will check back. Okay, so working on the risotto here. So I added in a little bit of a dry white wine just for some of that flavor. And then with the broth that you have on the side here, you just put in a little bit at a time to let that rice kind of cook. So it should take 20 minutes or so. So I'm kind of working on that right now. When that's all done and fully cooked, I'm going to add in my mushrooms, which are right here, all nice and sauteed, and then a little bit of Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper to taste, and that should be done. And then I have purple beans here from our garden, so I'm just going to steam these. I just have a little bit of water in it. And then I'll probably top it with some olive oil and salt and call it good.
Okay, so we had to make an audible decision because the wife's stomach has lost its patience. So she needs to eat sooner rather than later because my 3-month-old daughter is sucking the life out of her as we speak. So we moved the meat from the smoker on the wood fire grill here, moved it over to the flat top to get things cooking nice and fast. And so just threw a little avocado oil down, and they're just going to sear the chicken and salmon. With the salmon, make sure I got the skin down first, and then that'll crisp up nice. And then just kind of wait till each side is nice and crisped up, and we'll call it good on the flat top here. Alright, just flip the chicken and salmon over. Has a nice sear on one side. Just let it cook on here a couple more minutes and we should be good to go. Alright, here's the end product. We got the salmon, a couple pieces of chicken, the mushroom risotto, and some green beans. Looking good.